Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to invite you to explore my bedroom. Actually, it's a little bit messy. Okay, it's really messy, but I want to try uh, to show you as possible. This is from the outside. Okay, this is the first time if we open the door of my bedroom. And first I want to show you my aquariums. I have 7 chupangs fish. uh, this is my pet. I have a 7 fish. That's the little one. Okay, I my aquarium I put above my wardrobe, and in the top of my aquarium there is a fish lamp, and in the top of a fish lamp there is posters. I have a lot of posters in here. As you can see, there is a lot of posters. Okay, we move on. And next to my wardrobes there is a sports equipment. This is my sports equipment. Okay, next to the next one, next to sports equipment there is a cupboard. Okay, this is my cupboard, and next to the cupboard there is a curtain, and in the top of the curtain there is a air conditioning. My air conditioning, it's still on. Okay, there is a stuff in the floor. There is a bag and my dolls. Okay, I still don't clean up yet. Okay, next to the curtain there is my bed. Okay, as you can see, okay, this is my bed. Okay, this is my bed, and in the bed you can see my pillow, a lot of pillows, blanket, my mini speakers at there. I usually love listen some musics in here. Okay, in the top of my bed there is another poster. And next to the bed you can see my ransels at there. I put my ransels in a short chair, and in the top of ransels there is a mirror. I usually use this mirror to see myself. Okay, next to the mirror there is another cupboard. Yeah, there is a lot of stuff I put in there. And next to the cupboard there is a desk. I put many stuff in there, especially my makeup stuff. Okay, it's messy. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see ya.